It is time to do my nails. It's been a while since I've done them, and this is after I moved also, and moving took a toll. No product on my nails besides this hand that I just did. They are all prepped. You can see I've got a little bit of some damage on there just from moving and being super hard on them, but they're all prepped and ready to go. This hand, I already did my prep and my gel application. I used the Nail Thoughts clear builder base. So it's just their like builder gel, just straight up clear on my nails. But this nail I actually broke while moving and like banged it up. I'm telling you guys, like they're not like in the best condition right now. Okay, so don't judge me. Okay, this is what my nails looked like starting out, and I went ahead and started my prep with my Erica's ATA bits. This is the Rocket Flame. I love this bit. It cleans up so nicely and gets really nice and detailed. Really thorough cuticle work with this bit. I love this bit so much. So I'm using this Rocket Flame, and I use it about 8 to 10,000 RPMs, so somewhere around there. And I am just cleaning up the cuticle area, and I am going to get them ready for the builder gel application. Once I've done that, I go ahead and use a fine sanding band and just kind of add some texture, remove the shine from the nails, and then I'm going to go ahead and cleanse them with my cleanser and clean them up really good, scrub them really good so they are all ready for the gel application. Again, I'm using the Nail Thoughts Cocoist Builder Base in clear. Apply that on all of the nails, and this works like for a really great base just for our natural nail like structured manicure. I just did one coat of glitter, and this is the Beam glitter in number BG08, and look how gorgeous this is. It's just like a silver. I wanted basically like a silver background. We are going to Disney, and I wanted super cute Disney nails, but I didn't really even think about this until last minute. Like we're leaving in just a few days, and I was like, oh my gosh, I just saw these cute pictures and now I want Disney nails, and I did not plan for this at all. So I'm doing them myself. So basically my idea is to do the characters on this hand, my non-dominant, so I can use my dominant hand to paint the characters. This hand, I'll just do like clear with the glitter, and then maybe some like little confetti or something like that. Or I could also do solid colors, but I'm really thinking clear with just glitter and little confetti pieces. I think that would be really cute on this side. And obviously I just don't feel like attempting to paint characters with my left hand right now. So we are going to do just one coat of this Beam glitter. This is just that one coat. And I did like spread it out pretty thin. I didn't want it like super opaque glitter. I just wanted to still see like that clear in the background and just that little sprinkling of glitter. So I am going to do a coat of this on the rest of the nails. Okay, so I am applying that thin layer of glitter all over the nails, and then I'm going to cure that, and that's going to act as a really pretty sparkly clear base for our art. Then after that, I'm actually applying a matte top coat. You could use a regular top coat if you wanted to, but basically I want to smooth out all of the glitter. I want to make sure the surface is nice and smooth, so I just went ahead and applied a top coat. In this case I used a matte top coat, and then I'm going in with my buffer and I'm just buffing everything so that it's really nice, again, really nice and smooth, and we have a matte surface, and that is going to make it so that our lines stay nice and crisp and we can get really sharp detailed nail art. Now for the art portion, I am using the Cocoist Bluey White for the Forky character. He is a white fork, in case you haven't seen Toy Story, but or I guess the later Toy Story movies, but I used the Bluey White from Cocoist for him, and then I actually was like, why did I do that? I could have just used the white in my palette that I am using anyways. So you can totally use the white in this nail art palette. So for the rest of the designs, besides like a couple other colors, I am using this nail art palette. This is my favorite nail art palette. It is from Hey Nails, and it comes with 40 different colors of gel paints, and you can see I use it so much. Like I have so much in the tin of it, like lots of different colors going on and mixes that I do, so I love it. So I am using it for 90% of these characters. And I don't really have a particular way that I start these characters. Like some people are very organized with their character work and they like always start with an outline or they always start with, whatever it is. I don't really. I kind of just go with how I feel. So I know that's not really super helpful, but like honestly, I just kind of see like, okay, in my mind, I'm going to start with this color, that just seems the easiest to me, or the head shape or whatever it is. So here's the first two characters. We got Forky and Buzz, and I think they are so cute. I love them so much. Next, I started with Woody, and again, I'm just working on his shirt first, his little red like bandana that he wears, and then I'm going to work up and do his head shape. Then I'm going in with the hair and the hat, and then finally I'm finishing with the details like his eyes and mouth and stuff like that. So that just kind of is what worked for me, but again, it kind of just depends on the character and how I'm feeling like I want to start it. So if you have a different preference, then by all means do what works for you. And then the brush I'm using is the Tiny Short Liner, and this is my all-time like favorite brush. I use it pretty much for literally everything. It is amazing. I have a backup because I've had this one for a while now. It's probably like really nice and primed for doing art at this point, but it's my favorite brush. Use it all the time. So I use it for literally this entire design and this palette for 90% of the colors. So hope you enjoy. I had so much fun painting these. They turned out so cute. If you have any questions, write them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer. I use a couple of these Jelly Fit polishes because they are so nice and pigmented and creamy, so you can use them for art as well. So I'm using this green for the alien, and then later I use the yellow for the little Pixar ball. So again, enjoy and let me know if you have any questions. Now for the opposite hand, because I cannot paint detailed art with my left hand, so I am going to do my base gel and everything first, and then I'm going to use that same glitter, and I'm actually just going to do like a little encapsulated glitter confetti look. And for me personally, when I'm doing both hands, I will prep both hands, but I will not apply gel on both hands at the same time because I do not want two hands that are sticky. I only want one hand that is sticky and one hand that's not, that I can grab things or do whatever I need to do. So I will prep both hands, get them all ready for gel. Then I will do one from the gel application to the finish on one hand, and then I will do the other hand. So I did my prep, cleansed. Now I'm going in with that clear builder base on this hand. Also, because this is my non-dominant hand, it never turns out quite as good. Like the cuticle work isn't as good, the base gel isn't as good. So if you notice that, it's just how it is when working with my non-dominant hand. So I'm using these really fun glitters. One of them is from Daily Charm, the rest is from Vacation Nail Shop, and they're so fun. I tried to stick with kind of the color schemes, the Pixar color schemes like yellows, reds, blues, and I painted a thin layer of that glitter, did not cure it, and then I'm just sticking in individual pieces of glitter into that wet glitter gel. And then once I'm happy with how that looks, then I go ahead and cure it so that those glitters are stuck and cured into that layer of glitter gel. And that's basically how I do the confetti nails. And then I go ahead and encapsulate them with another clear layer of builder, base, and then top coat. If you're looking for links or discount codes or anything, I will have all that down in the caption. So I do have links for all these glitters, and I do have a coupon code for Vacation Nail Shop, which I love, and also Zillabue. So make sure to check that caption if you're looking for any of those. Once I finish with the encapsulated glitter hand, I go ahead and file the edge just in case there's any little bits of glitter sticking up. It's going to make it nice and smooth, and it can also help prevent lifting on the free edge as if you file the underneath edge a little bit. And we're finished with our cuticle oil, and this looks so cute. I adored this look. I had so much fun walking around Disney with these adorable Pixar nails, and I think they were so cute. I actually was really proud of myself for painting these characters. I think they turned out really great. This is definitely more of a complex style, but don't be afraid to challenge yourself every once in a while, because the only way you're going to get better at doing this type of stuff is if you practice. So you might surprise yourself, challenge yourself. You can even practice on nail tips if you need to. And again, I love the other hand, the encapsulated glitter. It just like captured the vibes of the Pixar Fest like so well. They're not perfect because they're the non-dominant hand. They look so cute and they match perfectly, and I love how they turned out. So don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.